If you're thinking about buying Cowinaudio, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Stick with me till the end because I'm about to break down why this product might just be the best choice for your audio needs, especially when you compare it to the competition. If you want the best offer for Cowinaudio, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, let's dive into what you need to know. First off, Cowinaudio stands out with its exceptional sound quality. When you compare it to other audio devices in the same price range, like the popular brands you might already know, Cowinaudio's sound delivers a punch, whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or watching videos. It's crystal clear, with rich bass and sharp treble, something that even some higher-end models can't offer without costing a fortune. So, if you're serious about sound quality but don't want to break the bank, Cowinaudio is definitely a contender. Next, let's talk about comfort. One of the first things you'll notice when you put on a pair of Cowinaudio headphones is how light they feel. This is a huge deal because comfort plays a big role, especially for long listening sessions. Many competitors, while great in sound, can leave you with sore ears after a while. Cowinaudio's lightweight design and adjustable ear cups make it easy to wear for hours, whether you're at work, on a long flight, or just relaxing at home. The third thing you need to know is about battery life. Cowinaudio has been impressively consistent in this department, lasting up to 30 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. That's a major plus when compared to some of the top headphones out there. Competitors in the same price range might last half that or require a charge every few hours. Cowinaudio's long-lasting battery means you don't have to worry about frequent recharges during your day-to-day activities. The fourth thing is noise cancellation. Cowinaudio delivers active noise cancellation, ANC, that really works. You'll notice a massive difference in noisy environments, like crowded coffee shops or busy commutes. Compared to other ANC headphones, the performance here is solid, blocking out background sounds effectively. Some other brands in this category don't do a great job at noise isolation or can make your head feel plugged. But Cowinaudio strikes a good balance, giving you clear sound without discomfort. Another key point is connectivity. Cowinaudio offers seamless Bluetooth connection, which means you won't have to deal with annoying dropouts or lag. Whether you're streaming from your phone, tablet, or laptop, the connection stays solid. And if you're someone who prefers wired audio, Cowinaudio gives you that option too. When it comes to versatility, this product really outperforms a lot of the competition that only focuses on wireless or wired connections. Now let's talk about design. This is where Cowinaudio really shows off. Unlike many headphones that feel bulky or plasticky, Cowinaudio headphones have a sleek and modern aesthetic. The materials feel high-end, and the build quality stands up to everyday use. This product doesn't feel like it's going to break after a few drops, unlike some competitors that feel fragile or overly cheap. Finally, there's customer service. Cowinaudio has a great track record when it comes to handling support. They offer easy-to-reach customer service, fast responses, and solid warranties, which is a huge bonus if you're ever facing an issue. Many competitors fall short in this area, often making it difficult to get a hold of someone or dragging out the process of fixing problems. With Cowinaudio, you get the peace of mind that if anything goes wrong, they'll take care of it. So, if you want to try out Cowinaudio for yourself, make sure you click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the product and enjoy some exclusive benefits. If you're in the market for a high-quality audio device that won't disappoint, Cowinaudio is definitely worth considering.